Hi, this is Skip. I thought I'd show a little bit of the project I've been working on for my bulletin board, Dura COA. This is a remake of a game that probably last played on my board back in the early 90s. So obviously there's a huge demand for it. Anyway, I thought I'd kind of limit myself to just talking about the user interface because I've really been trying to streamline it and make it more user accessible. I got the screen divided up into three areas. This top area is orange, shows the map. The middle area is a general text display area. The text will scroll up in this window. And the bottom three lines are the menus and command prompts. This green thing right here, that's your cursor. And you can move it around with the arrow keys on your keypad. As you see, oops, better click on the window first. First time I move it, it gets rid of that little screen down there. And you see your menu, you only got three options right now, but that'll change as depending on where you're at on the map. So right now we got look, territory, and utility. So look, you can anywhere on the map you type look, it'll give you a little bit of information about that square. Like we're in open country, and it'll tell you what you can do with that square, whether it's eligible for road construction and stuff like that. Each country, there's going to be up to six countries, as if we had 6 players. Each country has a territory, and it gets benefits if it's maneuvering inside that territory. So you see your territory, you type the T key, and we're currently in Egypt, and the green area is our home country. Enter to get rid of that. The utility option right now just gives you documentation, situation report, news. You can read in-game email, exit. Okay, you see you got different features on the map, like this % sign. If you look right here, now it tells you that's cultivated. And again, if you type L, give you information about that. It's a farm square. Okay. Up here, you got uppercase letters and lowercase letters. D is our country's graphic, I guess. High resolution graphics here, by the way. So it tells us we're in the city. So now you see you got a new option here on the menu. It says C for city. And it'll show you a little graphic of it. But over on the right side here, you have a little dashboard that gives you information about it. And now you got a new menu down here. You can look again. You can fortify the city, supply the city, pillage, or recruit. Now, if we wanted to recruit, this will actually show you all the troop types that you can have as an Egyptian. So you got 3 columns here. This blue column with letters. That'll give you, if I type E, for instance, light cavalry guards, give you a little information about that. Exit to get out of it. Over here you can get a little information about your country in general with the asterisks. Okay. Enter. And the second column is the number of troops in the army. So right now there is no army here, so they're all zeros. The third column is how much each unit would cost for you to recruit. The red is a penalty, meaning that you have to pay extra for them because historically your country didn't use them as much. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this. Exit out of this, leaving the city. Go over here. This is one of your armies. Now down here it says army. And now you got a new command called army. It tells you that each army has its own commander with a secret commander rating that you have to evaluate. Army of Egypt, commanded by Ahmos. Okay, type A. Now here's your army command. You got move, look, supply, commander, orders, home, and exit. Supply, you might make sure your army stays supplied. I guess I'm not going to talk about mechanics too much. Anyway, that's an important thing. Here's orders. It brings up another submenu. You can build roads, create farm, mine for gold, pillage a farm, or found a new city. Now, if you wanted to move the army, you'd do move. Now it says Ahmos is on the move. And now, see, his cursor is red because movement is active. So if I hit the arrow key, it actually moves the arrow, or the army. Down below is an independent town. That's why it's asterisk. So I can actually go down there and take it over. Update news file. Ahmose enters the city of Giza. Now that city belongs to me. I can exit. Exit. Oops. Now you see it says army/city because you got an army with a city with an army in it. Okay. I guess I don't want to go on too much here and bore you. So I guess that's basically the interface. Maybe I'll cover some more of the mechanics in some other video. Thanks for watching. Exit.